Okay, hi everyone, I'm back again with another Django tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can make your own customized URLs that change to reflect which model you're currently looking on. So right now I have the genre model and the book model that we've made before, and the URL will change depending on what genre or which book you're currently viewing. So to start that, we're going to go over to our views and make a new view. We're going to call it book list, because we're going to be looking at all the books that correspond to a particular genre that we want. So in order to do that, we need a genre argument. Now our books query set is going to be equal to the models.book.objects.filter, and we're going to be filtering all the books such that their genre matches the genre we're looking for. So to do that, we're going to take the genre model, double underscore for the topic attribute, which is going to be equal to the genre argument that we're passing in. Okay. Return the render of the request of the books/book list that we're going to make. And it's going to be books. That's it for the view. We'll go to the URL and the path here, genres slash string with genre. So what this is doing is you have to put your URL variable in these greater than, equal than, less than signs. It's going to be a string, which is going to correspond to the genre name, and we called it genre in our view. Okay, we'll do views.booklist. And the name will equal book list. That should be it there. And now we make an HTML file called book list. Don't need this, and like before, we'll just do for book and books, do an h1, and we'll call it book.title. And we'll end the for loop, and that should be it. So if we go up here and go to genres, we can see now we have fantasy and mystery, and I should change those so they're links. But if we type in one of these genres, so I type in fantasy here, you can see I made some new book models. So it's listing the books that are in fantasy, Lord of the Rings and A Game of Thrones. And if you look up at the URL here, it's genres/fantasy. If I go back and I type in mystery, or is it mystery, hit enter, and now we're on the URL mystery, and now we can see the DaVinci Code. So if you want to link those, do that really quick. We need an A tag here, and it'll be genre.topic. And to use a URL, we do URL, and this is why we were before naming our URLs. So we have to give this an app name, and we'll call that books, which you'll see, and we're using the we're linking to the book list, so it'll be books book list, and now you have to pass in any variables it needs. So in this case, it's the genre string. So we go here and we call genre equals genre.topic. Close that. That's good. We should be good to go. I refresh that. Books is not a registered namespace. It is a, what did I do? App name equals books. Okay, I don't know why I did that. But anyway, so now these are links. If we click them, we have fantasy and we have mystery. So I'll just make that look a little nicer here. Put that in H1. Refresh, and there we go. Now, if you want to be able to click these, we're going to do a similar thing, but we're going to have two URLs going. Okay, sorry about that. My recording stopped randomly. I don't know why, but I'll just keep going where I left off. I went a little ahead, but I think I put everything back to where the video cut off. So yeah, what we need to do is make a new view, a book detail view. So I'll go ahead and do that. Book detail. We're going to have a request, and now we're going to have a book title as well as genre. So instead of doing query search for books, we're going to return a single book. So in order to do that, we have to do book dot get object or 404. If you don't have that, just import it up here. Models.book, and we're going to have it such that the genre equals genre, like before, and the book title will be title equals title, book title, and we're going to, like before, return the render of the request. It'll be book/book detail.html. Oops. And it'll be book. Then I'll go make the URL. You can copy that. We have our string genre, and that'll be our string book title, like we called it. This will be book detail. Detail, and we go to our books, and we're going to make book detail, and we'll do which one, book title, and I don't know, maybe by book author, and then we'll do book description. Okay, and now to make sure that we can link to these, we're going to go to our book list, and we're going to change the title to a link to the book detail. So we're going to do it like before, H1 in there, and now the href, we have to make the URL, and it's going to call books book detail. And if you remember, book detail takes a genre and it takes a book title, so we have to make sure we add that in. So the genre will equal book.genre.topic. So we're saying the book's genre, and the book title will equal book.title. Close that, and I think that's good. So if we go over to our website, book genres, I forgot to run the server. Try it again. We can go to fantasy. I screwed that name up, but what did I do wrong? Related to invalid lookup genre. Oh, that's why. It's in the view here. It's genre topic. My mistake. Back. And there we go. So you can see the URL, the Lord of the Rings up here. You can go back, the others should work. If I go back to mystery, we can open them all. The Da Vinci Code and so on. So yeah, that's how you can make dynamic URLs. I hope that helped. Bye.